Everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone. iPhone devices are much faster and pretty exciting. Among this feature is the personal hotspot, which allows users to share their internet access without the need for a password. But remember that you can only share it with your other devices signed into your iCloud account. But there is difficulty. Interoperability is one major concern of users. That's when you are faced with issues like personal hotspot not working on iPhone. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. If personal hotspot suddenly stops functioning on any of your devices, the first attempt is to restart your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown, and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check your connection. Don't ignore this tip whenever your iPhone personal hotspot not showing up. It could be that there is insufficient internet streaming capability. Likewise, there could be a lack of communication between your device and the internet provider because of system bugs. More so, a Wi-Fi connection should let users down. To check this out, for this, go to settings, tap on it, and then tap on mobile data, and then tap on personal hotspot. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on. And you are done. Then turn Wi-Fi off and on the device you want to pair. Connect it to the Wi-Fi network and key in your password, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. There is a big role that the network plays as far as streaming is concerned. If you realize that iPhone personal hotspot is not connecting, then it's time to work out on the settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction, and you are done. And the next step is toggle on the personal hotspot. It could also happen that your iPhone personal hotspot is not toggled on. So in this case, go to settings and then tap on personal hotspot, tap on its toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is toggle airplane mode on and off. This is another quick way to fix iPhone personal hotspot not working issue. Please go to settings and then tap on airplane mode toggle button to turn it on, and after some time tap on its toggle button to turn it off again, and you are done. And the next step is install the latest iOS version. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is any software update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of personal hotspot not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.